There's no reason to be meal prepping plain chicken and rice, because each one of these honey teriyaki chicken and rice bowls packs 40 grams of protein and only 9 grams of fat. It's part of my slow cooker meal prep series, so all you have to do is throw a bunch of ingredients in the slow cooker, let it cook for a couple hours, and then you have 8 high protein meals that you can store frozen and reheat for delicious lunches all throughout the week. Just toss boneless, skinless chicken thighs in your slow cooker, along with soy sauce, honey, mirin, with ginger and garlic, and a little bit of cornstarch. Just let that cook for a couple hours until the chicken's cooked all the way through and looks just like this. To make the portioning super easy and allow the rice to soak up all that flavor, I like to just mix it directly in with the chicken, but you could also keep them separate if you prefer. For the low-calorie yum yum sauce, it's super simple. Just mix together all the ingredients shown on screen in a bowl, then you have a perfect, delicious, high-protein meal ready to go all throughout the week. Enjoy.